Hi guys, today we're gonna make a brownie in a mug and in some cupcake things. Okay, so first we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter, and I'm gonna add some inside here. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of butter, and then after we add 2 tablespoons of butter, we're going to heat it up in the microwave. We're gonna heat up in the microwave about 15 seconds. And now after we heat it up, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of milk, and be careful. One tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. I think I added a little bit too much butter, but it's fine. Let's do 3 tablespoons of milk, because milk, I like milk. Okay, now done the milk. And now after the milk, 3 tablespoons of sugar. But there's also cacao powder in this. But I don't have cacao powder, and I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of butter. But I'm just going to use hot chocolate powder and just do 2 tablespoons of sugar, not 3. Because there's sugar in the chocolate milk. Damn, that's not sugar. I did a little bit too, but that's that much. And now after that, you have to mix it. Mix. And now add 2 tablespoons of cacao. And now after the 2 tablespoons of cacao powder, do 2 tablespoons of flour. 1. 2. And then after the flour, you have to mix it. Mine's a little bit too creamy, I think. Is it just too creamy?
Yeah, you need to put 1 more spoon of flour.
1 more spoon of flour.
Because you put 3 spoons of milk, right? That's why. Okay?
Is this still too creamy?
Just mix it now. Mix it properly. First, putting some magical flowers. Right, Mary? Don't mix it much. Not stuff. Mix it properly.
And now after the flour,
mix it
you could add chocolate chips, but I don't have chocolate chips. So we have to put it in the microwave for...
Wait. Come back. You need to mix it properly.
100 days.
Yeah, I did mix it now. Okay, so now I'm gonna pour this inside here. You can do it in a mug if you want still, but I'm gonna pour it inside the cupcake holders. Stop. No, yeah. Let me taste it.
Yeah.
That tastes good.
I taste it.
Too much flour.
Let's try. That's fine.
Okay, no. 1 minute 50 seconds.
It tastes like flavored chocolate. Hey guys, we make
Hey
chocolate
guys,
muffins.
we made chocolate muffins. Now
It's a little hard
It's a little hot.
because you put
We-
egg, right?
and I
Next time try with
next
egg.
time
And
we'll
we're
try
gonna
it.
put these guys.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is there any
And
cream?
this one, heart shaped.
No, just put this.
Okay,
Hey, small, a little, not too much. That's it. That's enough.
No, I'm gonna.
okay. Here's Gabby sitting in her dollhouse.
Kiki will love to make these. Man, I want them.
That's it. No, put it here.
I think melt a little, like for a second. Right?
No,
Maybe
I'm gonna
then
try
it
it.
would be more better. Okay.
It's a little hot. You know what? I'm gonna try with a spoon.
Hey guys, to the taste part. It's hard, guys.
So it's not that good.
And it's
I'm gonna
hard.
try it next time with eggs.